First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister and Biren announces over rupees 5 crore relief package for displaced individuals in relief camps. Uncovering severe infrastructure shortfalls at Kumbi Sandhong Upper Primary School. SSUM calls for urgent action on classroom and staff shortages. And Chief Minister and Biren flags off Unity for Run organized in honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. A very good evening. You are watching ICE English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The Manipur government has sanctioned a sum of 5 crore rupees to support internally displaced persons residing in relief camps across the state, according to a recent social media post by Chief Minister and Biren Singh. The funding will provide financial aid of 1,000 rupees per individual and winter relief items such as blankets, mattresses and other bedding essentials, addressing the urgent needs of those affected by the current crisis. As per an official order issued by the Home Department, the expenditure of 5 crore 6,40,100 rupees has received administrative approval and will be allocated from the State Emergency Fund. The funds will cover the cost of bedding items including mattresses, bed sheets, pillows, mosquito nets and blankets, which will be distributed to IDPs in various relief camps. The allocated sum is debatable under the Police Department's other revenue expenditure category for the fiscal year 2024-2025. The state's Finance Department concurred with the release of funds on October 29. Once withdrawn, the funds will be deposited into the State Emergency Fund account at SBI Imphal Secretariat Branch, where it will be jointly managed by the Commissioner Home and Joint Secretary Home for further disbursement. A magistral inquiry has been initiated into the tragic deaths of a mother and her 4-year-old daughter from Hauribi Mayalikai in the Imphal West District. The Imphal West District Magistrate Samim Ahmad Shah announced the appointment of the Imphal West District Magistrate as the inquiry authority. This decision follows a directive from the state government dated October 23rd. The inquiry aims to uncover the facts and circumstances surrounding the deaths of Ningombam Ningol Adhikari Mayum Ongbi Bashanti Devi, 48 years, and her daughter Adhikari Mayum Lanchenbi Devi. It will also investigate the compelling factors that lead to the tragic incident and recommend measures to prevent similar occurrences in the future. The proceedings will take place in the courtroom of the District Magistrate Imphal West at Lamphil Path. Individuals wishing to provide oral evidence or submit any documents related to the inquiry are encouraged to send their details in writing to the District Magistrate's office. As per an order, all particulars must be submitted by November 8 during office hours. The Socialist Students' Union of Manipur SSUM, led by its president S. Yaima, conducted an inspection today at Kumbi Sandhong Upper Primary School, uncovering a series of infrastructural limitations affecting students and staff alike. The visit is part of SSUM's ongoing inspection initiative under the theme Imagi Amadi Ima Lebaki Damak Aikhoi Lairik Ningthina Tamse. During the visit, SSUM observed that students of classes 4 and 5 are currently sharing a single open community hall space at Ibudhau Ising Chaiba, located on the school campus. This arrangement, met due to a lack of available classrooms, offers no partitions between class groups, thereby impacting students' focus and learning environment. Additionally, most of the school's classrooms suffer from severe space congestion, which some classrooms even share spaces for 2 classes, further compounding the issue. Kumbi Sandhong Upper Primary School, which serves approximately 630 students from pre-primary to class 8, struggles to meet this spatial needs of its young learners. In response to these pressing conditions, SSUM representatives not only inspected the school's facilities but also provided essential supplies to support students in their academic pursuits. Stationery items, mathematics kits, first aid kits, board games and notebooks were distributed to both students and school staff, aiming to bolster morale and encourage continued learning despite the school's limitations. General Secretary of SSUM Thiam Prakash Luang expressed deep concern regarding the situation, urging authorities to prioritize the improvement of educational infrastructure for the school, stating that the shortage of classrooms and space constraints are significant barriers to a conducive learning environment for these students. He called for immediate action from relevant agencies to address the issue. Furthermore, he stated that the school fails to meet the recommended student-teachers ratio of 35:1, highlighting an urgent need for additional teachers. The General Secretary also emphasized the importance of upgrading the school to a high school level, noting its strong student enrollment and potential for growth.
Laisang asigi laibungi nakanda chhatra sing direct tambiri laik tambagi mafam leitadana oja singa sinbiduna hariba laibungi sumangda angang singbu mahi masing takpi tambiri masina takle madudi hariba school asa aduki matik infrastructure building singba watla habase hiramasida sarkana athuba matamda miyang changja ningi loina na loselakpada hojik bosem amadi bosemgi chairman sing makoigi oijaba Tadokuna, Satraki, the Makata Kalaga, Tagang, Kamarum, Pubiri, Akoiga, Unazaruba Matamda, Bosemgi Chairmana, Akoina, Tachaluba, Sagi Mono Kalado or Mbat textbook sing a say, by Kalado on Birakani, Ibasima, Takira, Masida, Akoina, Matunga Rakoda, Akoigi, Bosemgi Chairman sing, Makoigi, Honazaba, Mayamasi, Yangaga. Makoigi Katokba, Punamasi Yangaga Akoina, Sarkada, Hajari, Madudi, Makoigi service extension, Toba, Yabagi, Kudong Saba, Leragati, Makosing a say, Matam Sana Kuina, Imalebaki the Mok, Sheba, Tahunjani Hibase, Miangi Makumda Tanjari.
A village volunteer accidentally shot himself in the chest while cleaning his licensed double-barrel gun last night around 7:30 p.m. The injured individual, identified as 30-year-old Athokpam Siddharth, son of Athokpam Nanda, is a resident of Thobal Athokpam. He was immediately rushed to Raj Medicity for medical treatment. Authorities are investigating the circumstances surrounding the incident, which highlights the critical need for firearm safety and proper handling procedures. Hundreds of students from various communities and tribes across the Northeast today staged a peaceful protest in New Delhi, calling on both the central and state governments to urgently restore peace in Manipur and facilitate the resettlement of internally displaced persons to their homes. The protest, titled Save Manipur, No Compromise on Manipur's Territorial Integrity, was organized by the Manipur Innovative Youth Organization and United Kaching students. Participants expressed their deep concern over the ongoing 18-month crisis, which they say has severely affected the region's youth and students. They emphasized the need for a united Manipur, asserting that its territorial and administrative integrity should not be compromised in any way. Representatives from the Northeast Students' Society at Delhi University joined the rally, calling for solidarity among Northeast students in the city. Abhijit Chawra, a historian and geopolitical analyst, highlighted the importance of prioritizing peace and harmony in Manipur, urging indigenous communities to set aside historical differences. Retired Colonel Kishore Chand reassured the crowd that government agencies are actively working to address the challenges faced by IDPs and victims of violence, expressing confidence that justice will be served. Other speakers included retired Colonel Santi Kumar Sapam, social activist Elizabeth K.H. and Rasri Kumari, and Assistant Professor of Delhi University Dr. M. Ojit Kumar Singh, among others. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and Sports Minister Govindas Konthakzam inaugurated the Run for Unity in Imphal today. The event, organized by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, was a part of commemorating the National Unity Day, which celebrates Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary. A host of dignitaries and prominent sports personalities participated in the run, including Chief Secretary Dr. Vinay Joshi, Director General of Police Rajiv Singh, and Special Secretary Namoyam Khedavarta Singh. Notable athletes such as footballer Oinam Bembem Devi, judoka Sushila Devi Likmabam, and boxer Laisram Sarita Devi were also in attendance, alongside actor and singer Sadananda Hamom and several Padma Shri, Arjuna and Dhyan Chand awardees. The Run for Unity, which commenced at the Chief Minister's bungalow and concluded at the Khumalnapak Sports Complex, aimed to inspire citizens to pledge their commitment to India's unity and integrity, fostering a spirit of togetherness among participants. The event saw enthusiastic involvement from students and community members, all united under the theme of national solidarity. In light of the ongoing crisis in Manipur, which has persisted since May 3rd of last year, the International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA Jiribam branch has announced a ban on all forms of gambling and the use of firecrackers in the Jiribam district during the upcoming Ningol Chakoba and Diwali festivals. A statement from Publicity Secretary of IPSA Jiribam branch, G. Sanatomba Sharma, urged the community to refrain from participating in the trend of exchanging expensive gifts during the Ningol Chakoba celebrations. The release emphasized that individuals found engaging in gambling or using firecrackers will be held solely responsible for any resulting consequences. In a commendable initiative aimed at enhancing student health and well-being, Pettigrew Junior High School under JDO Zone 1 hosted a special health camp today. Organized by alumnus Dr. Waheng Bamratan Kumar, the event was made possible through collaboration with the Urban Health Center Singjumai and support from the medical officer in charge, Dr. Bandana Salam, along with a dedicated team of nurses, pharmacists, lab technicians, and staff. The one-day health camp offered crucial health services to students and the surrounding community. Attendees had the opportunity to undergo blood group detection and hemoglobin tests with samples collected right at the school. Under the theme Building Champions Together, the None District Badminton Association had launched the Naga Hills District Badminton Knockout Tournament 2024. As stated by the General Secretary of the Association, Ganreilong Kamai stated that the tournament aims to inspire district players and encourage the community to witness the sporting event. Scheduled from October 29 to November 2nd, the tournament held at the Tengkonjang Badminton Courts in None was inaugurated by DFO of None D. Jones Shah, serving as the chief guest, while convener of the Naga Hill District Badminton Association, R.H. Abel, attended as the guest of honor. The event has drawn an impressive lineup of 310 players from various districts, including None, Tamenglong, Senapati, Ukhrul, Chandel, Kamjong, and Tengnopal. The tournament spans multiple categories from the open category to the 65-year age category, showcasing a broad range of talent and participation across the district. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren announces over Rs 5 crore relief package for displaced individuals in relief camps. Uncovering severe infrastructure shortfalls at Kumbi Sandong Upper Primary School. SSUM calls for urgent action on classroom and staff shortages. And Chief Minister N. Biren flags off Unity for Run, organized in honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and have a great evening.